Welcome to Wheelz Connect. Let's get you started with your account setup. Start by opening the Wheelz Connect app. Select your preferred language, English, Tagalog, Chinese, or Korean. But for this tutorial, we're going to use English. Hit continue, then tap Let's Go. Choose Partner with Us. And this allows you to list your vehicles or services on Wheelz Connect. Now you can also sign up by linking your Google account. But for this demo, we're going to show you the other method. Type in your email address. Type your password, confirm your password, then hit sign up. A one-time password will be sent to your email. Now check your inbox, then enter the one-time password in the app and tap verify to continue. Now complete your profile by adding your picture, type in your first name, your last name. Enter your date of birth and your phone number. Now hit continue to enter your home address in the address section. You can tap the location icon so you can navigate through your map and pin your location. If in case it's not giving you the correct address, just simply edit and type in the right one. Now type again your city or municipality, your postal code. Now for faster verification, you can also type in your WhatsApp and/or Viber number, but remember, this is completely optional. Then tap. Continue to view the sign-up agreement and make sure you read and understand everything. Once you're ready, check the small box and hit agree to upload your IDs. Now upload or capture the front side of your ID and then the back side of your ID. If you're using a passport for the front image, just take photo on the page where you got your details on it, and for the back side, just the last page of it. Once submitted, your profile will be reviewed, and you'll receive an email notification once your verification is approved. That's it. You're now registered as a host on Wheelz Connect. Thank you for signing up, and we look forward to having you on board.